Mike, talk to me about the initial situation that led you to seek legal assistance.
Basically, I was involved in a motorcycle accident on the Downsville Pike. Another motorcycle tried to make a U-turn underneath the bridge. I didn't even have time to hit the brakes. My only thought was this is going to hurt, and it did. The bills started adding up quickly, and the person that caused the accident, and the Maryland State Police found him at fault, had $15,000 medical on another person. That barely paid for the ambulance ride. I racked up over 3 months in hospitals and rehab centers, close to a quarter of a million dollars.
How did your medical situation, your medical condition unfold over that number of months?
When I woke up after 3 days, my pelvis was crushed. And the doctor, Copeland, who put me back together, said most people my age never survive the operation.
When you first made contact for real legal assistance with the firm and with Bruce, what were the first impressions you got?
Well, like I say, as a police officer retired, I knew Bruce and I'd seen him in court cases before. So there's a lot of motorcycle magazines and a lot of places on the internet. If you're involved in an accident, we'll take care of you. I wanted a local attorney, somebody I knew, and Bruce was it.
Give me a summary of how you feel from those moments to now, from the actual accident to the work with Bruce and his firm and his staff, to how you and your wife feel about the whole picture as we speak.
Well, like I said, I was worried about my wife. She has AFib, and working with the staff, with Bruce, we saw that we were going in the right direction and things got better for her. And the peace of mind that I got working with Bruce and his staff, knowing I wasn't going to have to sell my house, liquidate assets and so on to pay these medical bills. That's quite a relief and a peace of mind when you can sit down and lay that out and know all these bills that you have that were terrifying you, because I could have lost everything. So that has worked out great. I'm very happy with it. No, I would highly recommend anybody that was in this type of accident and needed legal help. Bruce and his staff would be somebody that I would recommend.